Today is Wednesday, August 11th, 2021, August 11th, and a Wednesday, and we had a severe thunderstorm warning just now, and now it's happening right now. And I thought I'd do this video because before I had reported on mentioned about the sky being green, and that's what the sky looks like right now in Port Huron, Michigan. It's raining right now, and but the sky does look green. You can see. If you look at the sky, it's thundering too. You could probably, I don't know if you could hear it right now, but it just thundered. So I'm doing this video, and I'm in Port Huron, Michigan. So, but the sky looks very ominous. There's the clouds there. You can see I don't want to get my camera wet, but you can see the opening of the clouds, like but it is green. The sky is green. I don't know if it's because of the trees or making it green, but the sky to me looks green. And the street lights came on automatically. So right now, if I go into my apartment and look at my clock, it says it's a little bit past 4:30 right now, p.m. Eastern Time in Port Huron, Michigan. You can see the sidewalk wet from the rain. Now, it's very windy too, so you can't really, it's pouring down, but it's a fine rain. It's a heavy rain, but it's not where it's making much of a sound on the pavement if you go close by here. It's not hitting the pavement very hard, but now it is. So it's changing right as I do this video. This video right now, it's recording. It's about 2 minutes, about 3 minutes, going on 3 minutes of recording this, and the wind is picking up again. Very strong wind. And because I'm a senior citizen, I got a call from the St. Clair County warning me about the coming thunderstorm. So I really appreciate that. I think it's the St. Clair County, something to do with senior citizens, where you could get a phone call, automatic phone call, and you press number 1 saying that you got the call, saying that it's there's lightning, it just struck. Okay, now the wind is dying down a little bit. To me, the sky still looks green. And if I zoom into the tree across the street, that's looking south. You can see the rain coming down. And if I focus it on the street, you can see the wind pushing the rain along the street. Oh, there's a big gust of wind now. Wow. Wow, it's really, I don't even know if we're going to have a tornado or not, but I'm going to turn this off now because my camera's getting wet. But you can see the street where the wind is pushing the rain. Gusts are off the tops of the roofs of the apartment duplexes too. Okay, this is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan. And this is about a 5-minute video.